friends, welcome to Sunrise channel. Today's session I'm going to cover you how to customize financial year in Excel sheet. Normally if you see most of the countries in the world, their financial years are from January to December, but few specific countries their financial year will change depends upon their requirement. If you see Indian financial year will start from April to March. So here I'm going to show you how to customize our data as per Indian financial record. In the same way you can apply for your respective country. Here first what I'm going to show you is how to get a financial month, and then I'm going to show you how to get a financial year. If you see now we are in 2020. In 2020 April 2020 is the starting financial year and ending financial year is March 2021. So for this particular fiscal year or financial year we call as 2020-2021, or else we call as fiscal year 2020-21. Coming to financial month, April is the first month of the financial year and March is the last month of the financial year. But if you see the calendar financial month, April is the fourth month and March is the third month. So there's a difference is there. So I'm going to show how you plot that particular month as per our financial records, and I'm going to show you using text and year formula combination how to use this one. Now we're going to worksheet. In my last session I have covered you how to convert date from dotted format to date format, and now I'm going to show you how to get a financial year month, financial year and month of the particular date. You see the date here is 2nd April 2018. If you see as per calendar year, it is a fourth month, but as per Indian financial year, it is the first month of the year, and this particular month is coming under financial year of 2018 and 2019. If you see the next date is 20th March 2017. As per calendar year, it's a month number 3, but as per Indian financial year, it's month number 12, and financial year will be from 2016 to 2017. So here I'm going to show you how to customize the dates as per our Indian financial year requirement. Now I'm going to explain you how to get the financial month. Before explaining about financial month, I'm going to get the month of the date. For month we need to use a formula called month and select the month. This will give you a calendar month. Now I'm going to explain you the formula how to get the financial year month of as per Indian financial year. Month plus, here it will derive calendar month. So I'm going to add if condition now. If month is greater than 3, means above March. So I have to, whatever the month is coming, I need to subtract with -3. Else if month is less than 3 or 3, then it should add 9. So here for April it is showing as 1, means as per Indian financial year it is the first month. So I'm going to drag it down below. You can see here for January it will come as 10. Now I'm going to show how to get a financial year description. If calendar month is greater than or equal to 4, I have to get F5. then year of the particular date, then again year. Since it's April, if it's greater than 4, it should add 1 year. Here I am using a right formula so that only the last 2 digits of the year will come at the end. If this is false, I am going to subtract 1 year here. Okay, so this is 2018, so it is showing as a, this is the April 2018, so it's showing as a physical year, financial year 2018 to 2019. Suppose if I am going to drag it here to the next one, it's a March 2017, so this is showing as 2016 and 17 is a financial year. For if its month is greater than 4 or equal to 4, that starting year is 2018 and ends with 2019. And if we here it's a March 2017, starting year will be less than current year, it is 2016, and ending year is a current year. Now I am going to drag it on. Now I want to get the month of that particular this one. Normally if you apply month formula, it will be displaying as month, but I want April, March, May, like that I want it. So I want only the 3 characteristics of the month. So for that I am applying text formula and selecting the date, and here I want to display month, so I am selecting MMM and close the bracket. So I am getting the month description. Suppose if I want to get year, it will convert the date into the text field. It will come as year. If I want to get the day, DDD, here it will display as a day of that particular date. So in this way we can use this text and the date combination. We can convert date into text field. So here in this case I want the month here, so I am entering as MMM. So I got all months for respect to dates, and if you see the calendar month, it's a 4. You can see the difference. As per calendar month, it's a month number 10, is October is a month number 10, but as per Indian financial year, it's a month number 7. Hope you like this video. In my next session, I am going to show some simple dashboard based upon this financial year, like monthly. I want to show you how is my monthly order booking as per Indian financial year. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this session.